So you're thinking about making the move to Tulsa, Oklahoma, and you want to know everything there is to know about living in Tulsa, Oklahoma and the surrounding suburbs. In today's video, we're going to do what we always do, and we're going to look at 3 different houses in 3 different price points all around SKIATOOK Lake. So in Oklahoma, there is a ton of lake life in the Tulsa area. You have access to several lakes. Some are as close to, about 20 minutes away. Some are going to be an hour, hour and a half. But there is definitely lake life, and we love it. And if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything that there is to know about living in Tulsa, Oklahoma, the good, the bad, and the ugly, then tap that little bell notification and subscribe. That way you can be the first to know what's going on in our local Tulsa area real estate market. I'm Sabrina Shaw. I am a local real estate agent here in the Tulsa area. My team and I get calls every single day from people just like you who need help buying and selling a home in Tulsa, Oklahoma. And let me tell you, we absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days, 90 days, 9 months, give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email, jump on a Zoom call, and we would love to help you make that seamless move to Tulsa, Oklahoma. And make sure you stay on until the end because I am going to show you actual lake views. And SKIATOOK is actually one of the deepest, cleanest, prettiest lakes that we have here. So I definitely want to give you footage and show you that. We've got the restaurant behind me. They serve pizza, beer, American food. Today, as I'm recording this video, it's June 21st. The high is 91. It's 87 right now, but since it's overcast, it feels very comfortable. It doesn't feel warm at all. Oklahoma did just a couple days ago had a crazy storm. Somebody told me they were calling it an inland hurricane because the winds were so bad. We're used to tornadoes. We have tornadoes. This wasn't a tornado. It was 90-mile-per-hour winds. Now, I haven't looked it up, but I haven't heard of any fatalities or anything like that. But there was a lot of damage across Tulsa. Quite a few people were out of power. There's still people trying to get power, and we've lost a lot of trees. So my husband was telling me, that's something that happens like once every 100 years. So it was pretty crazy. But as far as weather goes, that's what we were dealing with. All right, well, let's go check out our first neighborhood. Okay, so this house was in the Hamptons. It is in Sperry, but it's SKIATOOK School District. It's a 6-bedroom, 3.5 bath, approximately 5,250 square feet, priced at $1,250,000. It's a 6-bedroom, 3.5 bath on 3/4 acre lot and has an in-ground pool, and you've got beautiful sunset views and views from your back porch of SKIATOOK Lake. So it is absolutely stunning. And the house was built in 2008. Okay, so I am here at the Estates of Cross Timbers, and it is getting ready to storm pretty bad. I can hear the thunder. So I'm just gonna do this quickly. We're not gonna stop in front of each house, but I did get some neighborhood footage. I'll pop it up on my computer screen, but we've got 2 houses to look at in this neighborhood. The HOA here is $700 annually. You've got Great lake views. If you can see that behind me, absolutely stunning and beautiful. You're in SKIATOOK schools. The houses here, we're going to show one that's $1,050,000. The other one is $1,250,000. So like I said, I'll pull those up on the screen. But when you are north of Tulsa this way, SKIATOOK, Sperry, Owasso, Claremore, you've got more rolling hills. So the land is a little bit different and it's beautiful. So I can't wait to show you these two houses. So that storm, it came in about 5 minutes after I finished recording, and it finished up, it stormed pretty good, finished up around 2 o'clock, which was really nice because it really cooled down the day completely. But let's check out these houses. So the first one is 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It's 3,676 square feet, built in 2008. It's $1,050,000. You are in the SKIATOOK School District in the states of Cross Timbers. You're on a little over a half-acre lot. You've got a 4-car attached garage, then you've got a detached garage that has living quarters. You're up on a hill, you have a lake view, so let's check it out. And so I believe I said that I went boating at SKIATOOK Lake earlier. So that was on Monday, so the weather was nice and beautiful and the sun was shining, so you'll get to see some footage of the lake when it's not storming out. Today, the footage that you're going to see, you know, obviously overcast skies, stormy, so you'll get to see both. But as you can see in these pictures, we've got the beautiful blue skies. This house is, you know, gorgeous, traditional style, beam ceilings, walls of windows, which I think, you know, really is a must if you're going to have a lake view. Nice fireplace. You've got a fireplace in the master. Walk-in shower. Nice closet. Nice desk. A lot of people, you know, you have, if you're going to be in lake life, you know, you have your little golf carts or Can-Ams or whatever. And this is literally 3 minutes to the Marina, the Cross Timbers Marina. There is, like I said, there is more than one marina for SKIATOOK Lake, but this one, Cross Timbers, it's just minutes from there. All right, the next one is a 5-bedroom, 4 full to half bath on a half-acre lot, built in 2019. They're at 4,166 square feet, and the price is $1,250,000. And this, the view is in the front of the house. It's more modern here. Nice space, nice design. Game. So you can see the marina. Yeah, you can see the marina right here. So I'm trying to orient. You go out this way. Well, I'll just show you once we get to the map. And you know, you drive along the side of the road and you go through down here. But see, this is the back of the house, and so this is the front of the house. So you could be just sitting out on the porch, and you know, you've got that great view of the lake. Front porch sitting. There you go. And let me just show you. Okay, so there was one other house. This was the house that we actually got to be in front of at the Hamptons. Oh, and the HOA on those was $700, which I believe I said that. Okay, so this is in the Hamptons also. You don't have any kind of lake view, and this isn't even built yet, but you're at $595,000. So under $1 million, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, quarter-acre lot, 3,319 square feet. This is what it could look like. These are, renderings or possibly pictures, from another build. You're right here. So if you want to do, you are super close and have a little bit of say in the design. All right, let me show you. I want to go to the map. Okay, so this is the Hamptons. This is the estates at Cross Timbers. Go a little bit closer. Over here, up over here, you have the Cove that has the lots for sale too. Looking at SKIATOOK, here's SKIATOOK Lake right here. We got Oologah Lake over here, which really that's not that far away. Your Owasso, Sperry, this is SKIATOOK. We were technically in, actually, I think we were in Sperry. Yeah, I was just making sure everything, it's all SKIATOOK school district, but I was making sure it was all Sperry. And let me just take this little pin off to show you like what else is on the water. But we were on one side. We were on the Sperry side. But there really wasn't that much more. So there was this one over here for $800,000. Since you have a lake view and you are actually in SKIATOOK, basically $800,000, 1 acre, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, built in 2000, 4,614 square feet. We've got all the good names here. We had the Hamptons. This is Beverly Hills. Gorgeous sunset, right? Very traditional, a lot of people still like this style, but it is a dated style. There's your nice hot tub. Great view. So yeah, you can get that for $800,000. Beverly Hills Estates, and the HOA there is $145 annually, so not much at all. Now I want to show you SKIATOOK in comparison to Tulsa. So you're right here in Sperry. This is SKIATOOK Lake. Tulsa is right here. Okay, so Tulsa, SKIATOOK Lake, so you're about 20 minutes from the airport, which the airport is more north Tulsa. So you're about 25 minutes from downtown, but you've got Claremore, Owasso. So when I was telling you the north part of Tulsa, you've got Claremore, Owasso, Sperry, SKIATOOK, Collinsville, that just have those, those nice rolling hills. So there you go, super close to Tulsa comparatively. Now here we are on Catalina Cove. So there aren't any houses for sale right now in this neighborhood. There's still several lots that are available. So I don't know if you can see behind me, but we have, right now you've got a view of the Marina, as where when we were at the estates at Cross Timbers, we had views of the lake. Now there are other parts of this neighborhood where you do see views of the lake, but some you're going to see, the lake and the Marina, but another great neighborhood. We are on septic here. You can see, I don't know if you guys can see that, but you can see the septic systems over here. But again, you can see the rolling hills and the beautiful neighborhoods. I don't have a house to show you in this neighborhood, but there are, like I said, lots for sale. So when you're driving into Cross Timbers Marina, they have all these signs, as you're going in. SKIATOOK is the cleanest, clearest lake in Oklahoma. SKIATOOK is the deepest lake in Oklahoma. You have 160 miles of shoreline, and the water spans over 10,000 acres. And I was telling you this earlier, but SKIATOOK Lake is a federally owned and operated reservoir. So the Corps of Engineers controls the lake, and that is why the houses have restrictions on them. So the houses in SKIATOOK, you have great views, but you can't have boat docks to the lake. SKIATOOK Lakes in Osage County, which is going to save you money on taxes. So any of the houses that you're buying around SKIATOOK, you will be able to save money that way due to taxes. And Osage County, like I said, it has those rolling hills. So there's about 1,800 acres of land that's been set aside for public use. It's treed, which most of those trees are going to be blackjack and post oak trees. So, you know, within that 1,800 acres for public use, you've got hiking trails, you've got roads, you've got boat ramps, camping sites, sanitary facilities. There's several places that you can camp. You have Tall Chief Cove, Bull Creek, and Twin Points campgrounds. And there's several other parks on the lake too. So there's really, you know, so much to explore. And Cross Timbers is just one of the marinas. And again, I told you that you could rent boats, you can rent paddle boards, you can rent kayaks. They've got little cottages. You'll see these are the cottages that you can rent. There are 512 boat slips, so it's about $4,000 annually to, you know, park your boat and keep it in one of the boat slips. I hope this video is helpful. I hope you enjoyed exploring SKIATOOK Lake and some housing possibilities around it. There are less expensive homes in the SKIATOOK school district. You just don't get those lake views. And again, if you're thinking about making that move to Tulsa, Oklahoma, or any of the surrounding suburbs, SKIATOOK, Oklahoma, then, you know, give us a thumbs up and like if this video was helpful. And reach out to me or my team, and we would love for you to reach out to us. You know, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, jump on a Zoom call, and we would love to show you around Tulsa.